Over 200 years ago, Alessandro Voltaire invented the first battery. He discovered that by placing copper and zinc discs on top of each other and separating each with a brine-soaked cloth, he could create an electrical power source. His invention was called the voltaic pile, in honour of the inventor and because it was, well, a pile of materials. The basic principle of battery construction has not changed to this day. Batteries are made up of cells. Each cell has a positive cathode and a negative anode. The anode and cathode are kept physically apart with a separator, but for the cell to work, both are placed in contact with each other via electrolyte. In this state, the cell is almost inactive. It only has the potential to create electricity. When connected to an appliance, a chemical reaction takes place within the materials which causes electrons to flow through the circuit. The materials which make up the cathode, the anode, the separator and the electrolyte vary depending on the type of battery, or as it is known, the battery chemistry. There are numerous chemistries and numerous types within each chemistry. In this video, we'll look at how nickel-based batteries are made. The process starts with a metal-based positive electrode, the anode, a metal-based negative electrode, the cathode, and a separator which is usually made of paper. These elements are thin and flexible, and in most nickel-based batteries they are spun into a coil known as a jelly roll. Metal tabs are fixed to the positive anode and negative anode, which will connect them to the outer terminals. Next, the jelly roll is inserted into a metallic cylinder which is both the case and the negative terminal. Electrolyte is then injected into the case. And a sealing plate is added to stop the electrolyte leaking out when the battery is not in the upright position. As the case is also the negative terminal, the positive terminal is wrapped at the edges with an insulation ring before being inserted. The top of the case is then folded to hold the components tightly in place. At this point, the battery is fully functional, but the design is not that robust. If heavy pressure is applied to the positive terminal, this could push it downward, forcing the positive tab to create a short between the anode and cathode plates, which would kill the battery. To stop this, the top of the case is usually crimped around the positive terminal and sealing plate so that they are held firmly in position. Now, even when pressure is applied, the crimped case does not allow the positive terminal to move downwards. Most nickel batteries are also wrapped in foil, not only for branding purposes, but because it also reduces the chance of the negative charged case making contact with the positive terminal during transportation or storage in metal containers. Now you know how nickel-based batteries are made, remember to check out our other videos about lead acid, zinc carbon, lithium and alkaline battery types. And for more information on all battery related topics, simply search Battery Guy Knowledge Base or visit us at batteryguy.com/KB.